you buy or rent a home for Airbnb? Okay, if you have the funds, a lot of money, like $1 million, yes, buy, okay? But if you don't have $1 million, I would highly recommend Airbnb arbitrage. Why? Because for the price of one home, if you buy it, you can actually arbitrage like 10 Airbnbs. Because each Airbnb only costs about 10 to 15K to arbitrage, right? Versus you buy a home and it costs like 100, 200K, you see? But you have 10 homes where you arbitrage, you make 10 times the cash flow, right? So each home, let's say average 2K a month, that's 20K a month. How would your life be different with 20K a month? Versus if you take all that money, you buy a home, you still only make 2, 3, okay, let's say max you can make 4K a month. But would you rather make 4K a month or 20K a month, right? Now, yes, there are appreciation and depreciation. However, with cash flow, it's so much better, right? It doesn't really matter when you make 20K a month, then you can have that money and really buy some home when you want to, or even arbitrage even more, right? Or you can actually manage properties for the people and actually make infinite returns. And I share that in the next video. Like, share, subscribe.